Hello everyone and welcome back to my video blog. Today in my series of I Give You Good News, I'm going to share with you that regardless who will be our president, uh, this will be applicable for all state of California residents. You can see I just vote. So when you see this video, probably you know who will be our next president. But regardless who will be the president, as long as you are a resident of California, this bit of good news is for you. Okay, I'm talking about Medi-Cal and the claim that Medi-Cal can put under the estate whenever you use the service of Medi-Cal. The Department of Health Services, upon the death of your loved one, can go against your estate to claim all the fees that they have used. So when they have to use for a skilled nursing home, for hospitalization, for long-term care, especially assisted living or nursing home, Medi-Cal can lay a claim upon the death of a person to claim back whatever that person has used. Okay, so I'm talking about the new SB 833, Senate Bill 833, that allowed a person who has a living trust and who died on or after January 1st of 2017 to have his or her estate avoid to have to pay back any claim to Medi-Cal. Okay, isn't it a bit of good news that if you have a loved one that your parents, anybody that you know about it, have them have a living trust, and if they already have a living trust, perfect. Make sure that it's fully done properly with all the clause. Then upon the person demise on January 1st or after 2017, and as long they have living trust, no claim from Medi-Cal. Okay, so and going back, a lot of you have asked me about how to hold title. What is the best way to hold title? I'm not an attorney, but I can give you my practitioner suggestion is, as long as it's not a commercial property and is a residential 1 to 4, including condo, and as long as you have a conventional loan on the property, or you need to apply for a conventional loan on property from a conventional lender or a bank, the best way to hold title is a living trust. Okay, and even you have a commercial property, and when you hold on the LLC, the member LLC can be your living trust. That remove a lot of problem in the future. Okay, so it's with that setup, you can also have a durable power attorney whenever you are incapacitated temporarily, in a coma because of an accident, or because you're in the hospital, on some care. The durable power attorney can help you take care of your business, of your loved one, how the income distributed to your loved one during that time, that period that you cannot take care of business yourself. And in there also, there has also a alternative care healthcare directive, not allowed, whenever either yourself or your parents that are in a hospital settings, who can make a decision whether to operate and not operate it, whether to put a plug and not put a plug. Especially in California, in October 2015, they passed a law that is applicable in 2016 in June, is the dignified death. So all these things, I'm saying, is great to have a living trust. And on top of it, I just mentioned to you, is a lot of people worry about long-term care, and whenever you have a long-term care, what are you going to do about it? Okay, Medi-Cal pay for it, pay for nursing home, pay for skilled nursing, pay for assisted living. Okay, however, upon the death of that person, Medi-Cal will come after the estate. Okay, so they will, your heir has to sell the property, to pay back to Medi-Cal. But with SB 833, as long as you have a living trust, you don't have to do that. So if you want to know more about it, to share with your loved one, do not hesitate to call me, text me, or email me. And until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.